Tagalog-Filipino vocabulary now on the 7th series. Here's the sentence. Naranasan na ni Ben ang iba't ibang mukha ng buhay. Ben already experienced the different phases of life. So, the first word here, naranasan, past tense, experienced. You notice that the first word is naranasan in this sentence, and then followed by the actor. I didn't change any actor here, but you notice that ko is the possessive form. So I put a slash here. That is to show you the pattern of the sentences. Okay, naranasan ko magtrabaho buong magdamag. I experienced working the whole night. So buong magdamag here, whole night. Naranasan ko kumain ng balot. I experienced eating balot. Naranasan ko matulog sa terrace. I experienced sleeping at the terrace. Next word, iba't iba. Okay, when you say iba't iba, it could be different, various, of many kinds. Okay, gusto ko ng iba't ibang pagkain. So, I want various cuisine, different food. Okay, gusto niya ng iba't ibang prutas. So, he or she wants many different fruits. So, when you say iba't iba, that is plural. Okay, of many kinds, various. Gusto mo ng iba't ibang hayop. So, you want many different animals. So, here, pagkain, okay, various cuisine or food, prutas, fruits, hayop, animals. Next, mukha ng buhay. So, when you say mukha ng buhay, that is life experience or experiences in life. It could be happy, sad, bad, or good. So, those are the phases of life. So, mukha literally means face, your face. Naranasan niya ang masayang mukha ng buhay. So, she or he experienced the happiness in life. It's okay not to use the word mukha literally, okay? Hindi niya naranasan ang masayang mukha ng buhay. She didn't experience the happy life. Naranasan. We also hear naranasan because it refers to experience. And then masaya, here we have hindi. Okay. Ayaw niya maalala ang malungkot na mukha ng buhay. So, he or she doesn't want to remember the sad experience in life. It could be the negative experience in life, the bad life experience. So, mukha ng buhay. So, for more learning resources, you can visit our blog here or website.